Wedding season is all over the place. Guest makeup look और मेरा पल्लू गिर गया. Trust me, it. Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all this super simple bridesmaid makeup look, or you can also consider it to be a wedding guest makeup look. Also, I am super excited to film this video because I am filming this kind of a video after a really long time, and trust me, it feels so good. So without making this intro any longer, let's get right into the video finally. Alrighty, let's glam up this face, and firstly I'm gonna use a primer, and for that I'm using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer Water. It just gives a very, like a hydrated feel to the skin that I really like. And then I'm gonna straight on move on to my foundation, and today I'll be mixing two foundations. One is the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation and the other one is Lakme 925 Perfect Match Cover Foundation. It's just that ki jo e.l.f. wala foundation hai, that is a little bit like lighter for me, so I am just mixing up a darker shade of foundation so that वो foundation मेरे shade का बन के आए. And I am just simply going to be applying it all over my face like we usually do. Now since the e.l.f. foundation is a little bit lighter for me, I am using the foundation as a concealer as well. I am just going to be applying the lighter shade of foundation just on the centers of my face and blending it out. तो इससे क्या होगा कि it will give a highlighted like a look to the face. For setting my face, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and it's in the shade 15 Light if I'm not wrong, and I am just dabbing it on the areas wherever I feel like my skin tends to crease a lot, not all over my face. And also notice that I am avoiding the areas wherever I am going to be applying highlighter or blush or bronzer, because those are powder products again, so I don't want a lot of powder application. Now next for blush, I am using the Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Flushed Satin, and just going to be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Next, moving on to my brows. Now as usual, आज मैं अपने brows को कुछ नहीं करने वाली. I am simply going to brush them through. Now if you want, of course, you can just go ahead and do whatever you like to do. Now moving on to my eyes, and for that I'll be using this palette, and I'll be taking that very light shade from the palette. It's like very similar to my skin tone, and just apply it all over my lids just to give a like a wash of color to the lids. And then usi same brush mein I'll take that warm brown shade and just simply pat the shade just on my outer corners and on my crease, and then just blend it out. I am applying that shade all over my crease basically. Now taking that teal gray shade, it has a little bit of shimmer to it. I am just applying it very close to my lash line. Now doing this, what it will do is it will give an illusion of a smoky eye look, yet you know that you did not make a lot of effort doing the smoky eye look. So yes, I'm just simply going to be applying it, and also I am just flicking it a little bit outwards so that it looks like a faux wing. And now taking that darker brown shade, because I wanted a little bit of depth on the outer corners, so just applying it on the outer corners and blending it out. And जो भी product उस brush में बचा हुआ रहेगा, I am just going to be applying it on the lower lash line, because I don't like usually applying a lot of product on my lower lash line, so that's why. Okay, so this is something that I like to do whenever I don't have the time or patience to draw a perfect eyeliner. So what I simply do is take a black kohl eyeliner and just apply it really close to my lash line, and then just take a stiff brush and like smoke it out. So you will see that in just a second that it gives the illusion of a thicker lash line, as well as gives the definition to your eyes as well without applying eyeliners. Finishing off the eye makeup with some mascara, but before that, do not forget to curl up your lashes, because you know what, it actually makes a difference. And of course, if you want, you can go on with falsies as well. Okay, so after that is done, I'm gonna finish off the makeup with some lipstick, and I'll be sharing with you all a trick that I have been doing recently, and trust me, it's gonna make your lipstick super long lasting even underneath your mask as well. And trust me, this is tried and tested method. So yes, basically what you wanna do is apply like a bullet lipstick at first, and then just simply top it off with a liquid lipstick. It can be any lipstick, it can be any shade of lipstick that you want. If you want, you can also apply a lip liner and then top it off with a liquid lipstick. So I think you should definitely try this method, especially during this wedding season and the festive season. So yes. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.